Hello, my name is Andy and I'm the Village Idiot. I'm back in my bedroom and it's time for part 2 of the Ulley video. I got quite a big response to this one. People were very happy to see such a nice village. But a lot of the comments people put weren't actually any information regarding the village. But that's okay, because even though I've got a small amount, I think there's enough to warrant making a part 2 to this one, so that's fantastic. So first thing is something I completely missed. Between the village and the reservoir there's a quarry which I didn't visit. I didn't even know it was there until afterwards, till I got home and started making the video. But there's a quarry between the reservoir and the village. I'll put a map somewhere in this video to show you whereabouts it is, or I might just use the parish map that I used before and just put a circle around it. But yeah, there is a quarry slash stonemasons between the two. Okay, this is a rather interesting piece of information. Apparently Winston Churchill's secretary used to live in the village. Her name was Miss Cherry, and her house was the one which was right next to the Royal Oak car park. Now I'm not sure if that's the house that you can actually see that I accidentally film in the video thinking it's the Royal Oak, or whether it's on the other side, but either way, Winston Churchill's secretary used to live in the village. I got a comment from Robert Atkinson saying about one of the abandoned houses. I'm not sure which one he's talking about, but he says it's not actually abandoned, it belongs to a Mr. Bogle. And on the same subject of the abandoned houses, one of them is a grade 2 listed manor house, and I've actually found some more information about that one. I found an entire website that gives you more details about it, and I'll put a link to it in the description and also at the bottom of this this part of the video. And the one in question is the one that I thought was 25 Main Street. It actually goes by the name of Ulley Grange. Also, there was a World War II battery somewhere in the village, or on the outskirts of it. The person who commented that said he hadn't got any information about it, and I actually can't find any information about it online either. However, if I find anything going forward when I do a neighbouring village or something along those lines, I'll make sure to include it. A lot of the residents of Aston were asking when I was going to come to their village. The answer is soon. The Aston video is going to be very, very big because the parish is massive. It covers not just Aston but also Orton and Swallownest, and it's huge. So that video is going to be quite a large one, so I need time to prepare properly for that one. And I also got a comment from a guy called Joe who he's obviously a Thurcroft lad, and he was saying about how I should get myself into Thurcroft. Trust me, that one's coming soon. I used to work in Thurcroft many moons ago, so I'm quite knowledgeable when it comes to that one. So that one's coming soon, and it will be, I say this hand on heart, it probably will be one of the best videos I've done so far. But apart from that, that's about it for Ulley and for part 2. Not much information to tell you, but that's alright. We can always add bits and bobs here and there as we go along when we do neighbouring villages. I've still to do Treaton, Wiston, Aston, obviously Thurcroft. They're all around Ulley. So if there's anything else that I've either missed out or something that someone tells me further down the line, I'll add it in. But for now, that's me done here, and there will be another video up tonight. So yeah, I've been the Village Idiot, and I'm out.